Hey Luke,
Yeah, mate.
I've got a great idea for the AeroPress.
What is it?
Let's brew some tea in it.
Tea in an AeroPress? Really? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Artistic YouTube channel where we guide you through all things coffee and tea. So you don't miss out on one of our latest videos, hey, make sure you do hit the likes button, subscribe and the bell icon and you'll get notified when we hit up our latest video. And if you've got a comment, please leave it below, we do love answering them. So today, I'm not using the AeroPress coffee brewer, I'm using the AeroPress tea brewer. Let's see how we go. Anyway, I've been told that you can make tea in an AeroPress. We're going to give it a go. So we've got some China Sencha green tea here, and we're going to brew it up in a really specific recipe. Now, why would you use an AeroPress for tea? Well, put it simply, if you're going to be out making coffee, and for a lot of people, there's always going to be a tea drinker. It could be a green tea or a peppermint tea, but if you just love coffee in the morning or tea in the afternoon, maybe before you go to bed, you can use this one device. So for traveling, it does make it a lot more compact. So keep it really simple. We've got some water on the boil. We're going to use the metal filter because it is going to help us hold back essentially all of the tea leaves. I'm just going to open that up a tad. We're going to tear this off. And we've got some full leaf green tea here. We're going to pop that in. Our recipe is 2.8 grams for 200 mils of water at 85 degrees. Now that has to be 2.5 minutes. If you're going to brew tea, you don't want to be under brewing or over brewing tea. So it's really quite precise. Now 30 seconds either way will really change the flavour of that tea. If you're under by a few seconds, even 20 seconds, it's going to be a little bit more green and sort of tree kind of tasting. If you go over, you're going to bring out the bitterness. And that's the same with green teas or black teas. So make sure you look at your recipes before you start brewing tea. So let me grab the kettle. It's at 85 degrees. And I need to start my timer. Because as soon as we start adding that water, it's starting to brew. Beautiful. So you can pop our little metal filter back on and our cap. Move the AeroPress off the scale. And now all we have to do is wait. That's 2 minutes, 30 seconds to go. So make sure you got your cup ready. We can pop it on there. We can now start to reduce the air out of there. So you'll start to see the liquid just coming up through the metal filter into, there we go, into the black holes coming through the top there. And we got 225, so 5 seconds. We're going to invert this and pour out our tea. There we go, and you can see the tea floating around in there nicely, and press that down. Beautiful. So there you go, you've got a perfectly extracted and brewed cup of China Sencha green tea. How does it taste? Well, I'm sure just like any other tea. Oh, that's a good green tea. Now, if it was a hot day and you wanted to have a cold product, you could obviously chill that down or chuck some ice cubes in it and you'd have some beautiful iced tea. Bit of lemon, lime, whatever you've got hanging around, it's going to be a beautiful cup. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed another way that you can use your favorite coffee maker, the AeroPress. If you've got another way of brewing something, hey, shoot us comments down below. We'd love to hear how you're using your AeroPress a little bit differently. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Cheers.